What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year. Today we are doing a hot water carpet extraction for one of my clients. We have cleaned their carpets in the past, but using a different method. And today we're going to document the process of how we do these sort of cleanings. Thank you so much for watching in advance, and I really hope you enjoy the content. This is the chemical that we're going to be using today. Some Ecolab Premium Carpet Shampoo. Then we go ahead and throw the hose in here. I didn't really know what to expect with this machine because it's the first time we used this specific one. We're trying to rent different machines out through the city, test different brands to see which is the one that we want to start using for all of our sites. Because we have a regular one, a regular hot water manatee or mighty, the brand is called, and it's good. It was about $1,000, but we want to spend something like 3 to 4. So we're just testing different machines and seeing which one is gonna fit our needs the best. And this one so far, I've been standing here for about 2 minutes and this is still filling up with water. So this has to be at least a 10-gallon tank, which is exactly what we're looking for. And so far so good. All right, that should be good. Put this guy in the closet for now. Come back and get it. There's a nasty piece of something caught in the middle over here. Look at this nastiness. Let's see, this should go through. It's 2 separate cords because one is for the vacuum and one is for the heater to heat up the water. Swap these things over here. One here. There's the pump. There we go. That's for the water. That's for the heater. That's for, oh, and that one's for both vacuums. Let's do a couple test runs and make sure everything's working great. Press this button right here. All that water comes out. Yep. Oh yeah, everything is working fine, so we're gonna wait for the machine to heat up all the water and then we're gonna get right into it. So I just did a little test run. You can already see, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up all too well, but there is a pretty significant color change from here and here. And no, it's not just because the carpet is wet. The other times that we've done it with the spinning machine, it doesn't look like this. So this is definitely already a great start. Machine is ready. Light is no longer on. It means the water is nice and hot. So let's get it, baby. Bit of an intermission. The outlets stopped working. Electricity in this whole building flickered on, flickered off, and now it doesn't turn back on. So we are switching over to the other building And I already did some test runs and it's all working fine over there. So we're gonna go and head into the other building. I've already been cleaning it a little bit just to see and test run everything to see if it works. And I'm gonna show you the results so far and yeah. So this side seems to be working completely fine. No problems with electricity. There's a slight difference in color. The camera is really not gonna be able to pick it up, but just know that this side versus this side, it's like a brownish gray versus a light gray over here. So it really depends the type of carpet that you are cleaning. That's gonna make the most of the difference. Like on the other side, you're gonna be able to tell way more than this side, but it's still worth showing so you guys see the whole process. Just wanted to take a little brief intermission right there. So that is the line in which we had stopped our cleaning process at, and now you can absolutely see how dirty this side of the carpet is versus the rest of the carpet. That's how this is supposed to be done. You're supposed to do this in sections so you can hit it all evenly. We're done doing this side going back and forth, back and forth. Now we have this middle area over here. We gotta move some things out of the way. What an absolute difference. Let's keep going. Mid-job update. It's time to change the water on the machine. It is bone dry. Look at all of that. I don't know if you can see from the camera, but there is a major, major difference between this side and this side. And that is absolutely, oh, focus. That is absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, well, you guys already saw me fill up water, so didn't record that part, but awesome. We just finished the first carpet completely, because you know there's two buildings. And let me tell you, this is a game changer. Using a machine as strong as this one, I mean, all of the spots are gone. All of the dark spots. This is a completely brand new carpet. Even here that had, you can see there's a little bit of shade, but this walkway stain went from the start of the door all the way to the hallway. And there's basically nothing left except that little spot, which I hovered over it for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Nothing came off. I did as much as I could. Didn't want to oversaturate the carpet and do more damage than good. What a difference. Now the next carpet is going to be where the difference is really, really noted. This was a good little test run, but let's go ahead and finish up the job. Boom. All right, we're about to get cracking at the first building, which is really the second building, but it was the first building. But let's get this show on the road. Just thought I'd give one more update before we go ahead and seal the deal on this job. Whew. Man, this has been a great experience so far. This machine is amazing. You can tell the difference in the carpet, not only because it's wet right now, but the deep, deep stains are coming off. And it just looks absolutely fantastic. So let's finish up and let's keep going. Wow. Absolutely phenomenal. Oh shit. This is not gonna fucking go in here. This is the worst part of doing any. Man, that was 5 hours of grueling work. Seems like these jobs sometimes really don't go as you expect them to, but no need to fuss or complain. The job is done and everything looks great. I want to thank you guys for being a part of this journey and watching this video. Please share it to your friends if you enjoyed. Share it to your family. Spread the message, spread the journey of some young men, young women on this entrepreneurship journey. This is always a learning curve. There's always something else to be learning. There's always something you never expect to come your way. And that's the beauty of business. It's the duality of business is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Anyway, enough rambling. Thank you guys for watching the video again. Like, comment, subscribe, share to everyone you know. And if you need cleaning services in the Miami area, the South Florida area, even the North Florida, hit us up. We'll drive out there. We'll do what we got to do. Make sure you're happy. Thank you again for watching the video. God bless. Until the next one.